Hi, Celsius Peace here. So, if any of you are watching, let me move the camera. I uploaded a video when I went to my grandma's house. My grandma got me an awesome kitty set. So, if you want to go check that out, just go check it out. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. Honey, wake up. Oh, good morning. Thank goodness. Holiday's still sleeping. Well, she's probably going to cry when she wakes up. You have to breastfeed her and give her some milk. Let's just leave her be. What do you think of this bow? It's okay. Just leave that there. How are the other children doing? Let's go see. Okay then. Aw, look, they're still sleeping. Look at Travis. He's so cute. And he's still got my little scars on my head. Little birthmark. Pepper. We should probably go leave them be before they realize we're here. Yeah. Ew, that was so disgusting. It's not that disgusting. Well, yeah, I mean, they only kiss us because they love us, but too much mushy stuff. Yeah. Let's go play with our toys. Here's your thingamabob. Here's Mr. and Mrs. Mousy. How was your day? It was really great. Ugh. Wee do 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 do. Oh, there she goes. Better go feed her. Okay. Here's Holiday's little toy. So yeah. Oh. You done, honey? Let's go play. Okay, brought her. Oh, who's a perfect kitten? Wanna play? I'll go put on my bow. Again. Okay. Okay. This thing never stays on. Ooh, it actually looks cute like that, but look. Put it down. There. How do you think I look? Like a queen. Thank you. It's hard being a dad. Well, breastfeeding is hard for being a mom. You never really have time to yourself, like go on a date or something. Like, we always have to take care of our children. Yeah, I guess that's true, but... There she goes again, being sleepy. Here's a little favorite toy for entertainment. How long until you have to breastfeed her again? Maybe like 2 hours. Yeah. Okay, I'll go check on the children. And they're awake. Good morning, Pepper. Morning, Mom. Mr. and Mrs. Squeaker were just planning on playing. It's pathetic. No, it's not. Jerk. Deaf jerk. Jerk deaf. By the way, that's an idea I got. Mom, what do you think about this toy? Oh, it's the one Daddy got you when you was later. The 4-tapping pouncy thing. It's called the 4-tap pouncer. I have no idea what it is called. Keep going. I didn't really get much sleep because Holiday cried all night. I know. I need to get another room. Seriously? Bye. Please don't disturb me, honey. I need to go. Okay then. Well, your mom's sleeping, so you heard that. Be quiet. Whatever. Oh, by the way, Pepper, I got something for you. What? What is it? Let me go get it. Aren't nerds supposed to do this like boys? You're not a boy, you're a girl. And I am a boy. And I wish you were a girl. I want to have a sister. You do have a sister. You have Holiday. This is Holiday, by the way. Yeah, but she's still a baby and she can barely talk. She only can talk like in short words of what she really wants. Let them know she actually talk and not slobber all over my stuff. Well, school starts less than 2 weeks, so yeah. Don't tell me I'm going to have to do the test. It's just a reading test to see how much reading you can do. But Dad, I did this like yesterday. You did 2 months ago. Fine. You have to do tests while I gotta play. Oh, and by the way, Travis, you're gonna get one in the next 1 week. That's what I thought. Okay, everything's organized. Here's a stupid test. Oh my god, they keep on falling everywhere. Let me see. Ah, yes, actually, know these books. Test. Oh my god, now it's white. Okay, well, I have to go turn this in. At night, I'm getting so sleepy. Here, Mrs. Squeakers. Ugh. Everything's perfect. Hey guys, LPSP's here. So that was just like a little family view. So hope you all guys enjoyed. Bye.